Alrighty, so last build for today, releasing these during the week, hopefully. I've got 4 I can release, so that's good. This one is the set 76923, which is a bit of a long name. It's the Lamborghini Lambo V12 Vision Gran Turismo. Basically, this is in the Gran Turismo game, and it's Vision. This is like a futuristic thing that Lamborghini actually did. It's not a production car, or probably likely to be one, maybe not. But it's in the game, so I thought I'd buy this. I don't play the game, but I do like some of the speed champions, being as I am a ex-car mechanic from a long time ago. This is a really cool little set. Let me just get some information for you. Hold on a second. Okay, so got the info in front of me. 230 pieces, so not that many. 10 plus is the age, which is surprising. 2 to 4 people can build. I don't understand that, but whatever. So you have maybe just a few pieces each. Anyway, 2024, as I said, set 76923. Celebrate the ultimate virtual race car from the Gran Turismo video games. The spectacular and futuristic Lamborghini Lambo V12 Vision GT Supercar. Collect, build, play with and display this awesome LEGO Speed Champions replica, featuring innovative design details from the iconic original concept car. The playset also includes a driver minifigure to role-play exciting races around the track. Okay, so there you go. Let's open it up and see what we got. I only bought one of these because I'll just display it. Not that interested in this kind of stuff, but I have got some. Obviously I have my motorbikes, which I've yet to build, but there you go. That's what we got inside. No doubt we'll have a sticker set, or maybe we won't. Okay, so we have 2 bags. Yes, we do. We have a sticker set. There you go. Oh my god. How many stickers? Are you serious? Look at that lot. That's a lot of stickers. A lot of stickers. Okay, we have the manual. I bet there's no information, which I'd have thought there would have been, which is a bit strange. But no information. Interesting. Okay, so that can go to one side, back of the box. So I need to flat pack my boxes, and I also need to store all the manuals somehow. Beza's here. That's her, best Beza. Let's go grab this. Empty bag 1, and we'll start the speed build once we've done this. Okay. I can't even open a bag. My god, I am getting old. Right, okay, that's that done. Bag 1 opened. 2 mini packets. Interesting. Okay, starts off with the minifig. So what I'll do is I will now do the speed build, and I'll see you when I've finished. Alrighty. Okay. You probably saw, if you were watching the speed build, I got so frustrated. These stickers are tiny. Tiny stickers, and really awkward, some of them, to put on. But mustn't complain. Must try not to complain. The finished set looks cool. It's not a playability one, definitely not. Yeah, okay, it's good, but it's fragile. It is very fragile. I found too fragile to be playing around like kids and stuff. But the detail is, well, I love all this detail, is just awesome. But you can see, look, already this exhaust. Okay, there we go. These are held on by one tiny little pin, not even a pin, a stud. So they're going to fall off if you're playing around with it. So not for playing, but definitely for putting on show, display. It's really cool. I love the lines of this. It's very nice. I mean, obviously you've got a little bit of messing around to do to get it look perfect, but I'm not all that bothered. There's so many bits that move is the thing with this, you know, and that are on single axle pivots, stuff like that. But yeah, like it. I really liked it. It was quite fiddly for my fat fingers. The stickers, like I said, they're just, some of them, they're okay, but there's some of them that are really, I mean, look, that is tiny, really tiny. And this, the GT on the side, that's a sticker. These bits here on the back, one's a sticker, one isn't. It's like, why didn't you do, see, different color green here, the bottom bit to the top bit, that's printed, the top bit's printed, this bit is a sticker, but the color difference is quite noticeable. So as you can see there, it's quite bad. But I mean, what can I say? Did I enjoy the build? To a certain extent I enjoyed it, but I mean, just knowing how it's built and how fragile it is, I wouldn't suggest a kid gets this to play around with, because it's not going to work. It doesn't steer, it's just straight. So I doubt they appeal to kids anyway. But you know, the functions on it are very cool. You've got this that lifts up to the cockpit, then you've got this bit that lifts up with the steering wheel, so that you can put this minifigure in there. Now the minifigure itself, she has two faces, one on the kind of serious side and this one on the happy side. The print on the legs and the torso is really cool. I do like that, definitely. You've got like the badge on the front, the Lamborghini badge on the chest. You've got the print on the front of the legs. And then on the back, you've got, this is actually a back protector, supposed to be. I used to use that when I was racing motorbikes, so I know what that is. Back protector, in case of shocks and everything else. And then you've got her hair piece, which does cover most of that up. So this is when she's out of the car. She's the mechanic as well. If you can afford a Lamborghini car like this and race it, you'd have somebody else doing the mechanics. Maybe Toretto could use this wrench. Okay, so then you take her hair off, put her helmet on, and her visor down. Okay, then you kind of, she doesn't sit as in properly. So you put her down like that, so that her arms are folded, and then you put the hood down, so she's in the car. But yeah, there's no way she's going to be carrying it. She's going to be holding on to that steering wheel, that's for sure. I mean, the steering wheel is quite funky. Never seen one like this before. I mean, obviously, yes, concept cars do have steering wheels like this. But yeah, she's not going to be able to grab hold of that, that's for sure. But she's in, and she's complete. So I like the look of this, don't get me wrong, but for a 10-year-old under, I suggest you just tell them display it, don't play with it, because all this is going to fall off. Definitely. I mean, look at the exhaust, look, already, and I haven't done anything with it. It just keeps tilting up, and these bits are, look, very loose here, the exhaust tips. Okay, enough negativity. I like it. It's going to be on display, so yes, I like it. It's very, very cool. As a concept car, I haven't played the game. I should really, because I used to love playing Gran Turismo. I'm going to take her helmet off, put her helmet on here. Maybe, there we go. Put the spanner, wrench, as Americans call it, but spanner we English call it, in her hand, and maybe put a smiley face on, because I don't like miserable faces. Put a happy face on before we disappear and go into the next build. Actually, no, I'm not building anymore today. I might do stream today. Lego Fortnite. There you go. She's happy. She's got the wrench in her hand. She's gonna hack this to pieces. Let's put, actually what I could do is I could put the helmet inside, couldn't I? Leave this on display like that, put the helmet inside. There we go. In you go. GG's. There we go. So there. Okay, build done. Another one done. I think I've done 4 today. 3 that you'll see, 1 that you won't. 4, actually no, I've done 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 you'll see, but 1 you won't, because it's all to do with my project. So these will be during the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, which is all good. So please like the video. I'm giving honest opinions. No one pays me to do these. Don't get these from Lego. I buy these myself. So drop a like, give me a comment. What do you think of the set? Do you have it? Do you want to buy it? Subscribe if you haven't subscribed for more videos later. Appreciate anything you can help me with. Thanks very much, and see you in the next build.